She's coming. She says that she feels very obnoxious. I think she's
a lot of breaks.
I'll take one.
Then we go there.
Very good. Yeah, I came up because I thought you were helping her.
Oh my God.
Having fun?
Huh?
You having fun?
Yeah, definitely.
Is she gonna swing?
I don't think so. I think it's closed.
Bird was flying under the water.
It's closed.
From the side, and she had a nest back there. It's smart.
See?
I mean, they shouldn't do it if somebody not operating this.
Yeah.
Well, and if that broke,
They
it would
shouldn't-
like hit everybody underneath.
And they should not manipulate it because it might break something.
Yeah.
Benim çocuklar burada yerde oturuyorlardı, ağlıyorlardı. Weil die nicht mehr runter konnten.
Deine Kinder?
Ja. O da olabilir. It's a puppy, isn't it?
Yes.
Twins.
We're the dog club.
And here's another one. A Schäfer one.
Are you still filming?
Yes. I'm filming every once in a while.
And they said by like 2060, they think it'll start going down again.
Okay.
No dogs.
Just does it say that? No, it doesn't.
Nein, doch nicht doch. Hadi gelin. Oh, thank you. I like it, it's so thin. That's good. can't see any homes. Only just a couple, not too many. It's very nice. A lot of snow still on the other side there. It's very nice. Yeah, I call it the pyramid. I don't know exactly what it's called really, but
Might be
do you
Mount
know?
Ogden.
No, I think Mount Ogden is on this side somewhere.
I'm not sure.
So when you walk always to school or to the university from here?
No.
It should be a nice trail with the bicycle too, especially if you have like a really nice bicycle with shock absorbers. And yeah, you don't have any thorns here. Did you see the little flowers? That's very
Mm-hmm.
çok güzel değil mi?